the fan shrouding with the alternator attached. I loosened up this band, this strap. Okay, you move that nice and close to the shrouding. This was a screw. The other side is a nut. No, it's a bolt. It's a bolt, and it's behind the intake. I'm sure there's a reason for that. It's jogged. I guess the reason it's jogged. See how close this is to here. Looking down. Right. Okay. Looking straight down. Yeah, I can't tell. It's because the cylinders and the pistons are, because the pistons and the rods are jogged. That'd be my guess. Alright, I'm going to pull all that off.